Tales of a group of soldiers led to Lincoln Regional Airport by the cry of survivors, begging for anyone to help them. Upon arrival, the soldiers did not meet the voices on the radio, but masses of the undead. Hoping, just maybe, these people might be trapped at the other end, the soldiers fought through the horde. They managed to make it through the airport, but were too late. Any survivors were either dead or long gone. Hopes in shambles, they used what little time they had to recuperate. But even though they killed so many, the dead are ever numerous and unrelenting. In the end, it's unclear what happened. Some say they managed to escape that airport. Others say they died like all the rest of the bold and brazen.